Welcome to Las Casas, Filipinas de Acuzar in Quezon City. Situated in the heart of Quezon City on Roosevelt Avenue, Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, Quezon City is an event space, restaurant, and museum that brings the well-loved Las Casas experience from Bataan into the city. Las Casas Filipinas de Absar, Quezon City, is the first venture under the Las Casas Heritage Collection by the Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, which began in Bagak, Bataan. Dito, makikita niyo yung parang sinaunang panahon. So parang ito yung panahon ni Rizal at saka yung panahon ng mga ninuno natin. Tingnan niyo naman yan. You can do photo shoots here kagaya ng ginagawa namin. So, nandito kami with my business partner, si Jefferson, as you can see on the video. Isa siyang kabataan na nakahit ng incentive mula sa akin. So, we decided to have our lunch here and at the same time, quick tour na din and escape from the city kahit na kami ay nasa Quezon City. You were allowed to enter their heritage houses but you need to take your shoes off as part of their cleanliness, I believe, and also that's actually one of the traits of the Filipinos. We always remove our shoes every time we enter a house. And as you can see, this reminds me of my tour way back 2017 at Bataan. You can book or you can reserve at their website. So, i-search nyo lang sa Google yung Las Casas de Acuzar in Quezon City. And meron din silang Facebook page. Pwede rin kayo magpa-reserve doon. Doon ko lang siya nakita and we really had our moment here. Ang ganda talaga ng place na to. Talagang nakaka-relax para kang bumalik sa nakaraan. And I do suggest if you wanna go here at gusto mong masolo yung place, go ka ng mga 1 p.m. onwards kasi wala na masyadong tao. Okay? And ang saya lang and we enjoyed the food as well. Masarap yung pagkain nila dito. Okay, and ayun, nagpaka-enjoy kami sa mga Filipino and Spanish food. Gusto kami sa Las Casas. Yun po yung vlog namin. Congrats, Mentor Jefferson. Thank you. Yun. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And I do recommend and suggest to visit their place, Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar at Quezon City if you want to have your meetings, your events, and if gusto mo lang mabisita ang nakaraan. Maraming salamat and please do subscribe to our channel.